Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I will be visiting Orlando for the first time in around 3 weeks time, and I will be vlogging my full experience. Here is a taster of what's to come in my daily vlogs. We will be travelling with TUI on a Dreamliner and travelling from Manchester to Melbourne Orlando airport. We are staying at Universal Endless Summer Resort Dockside, and I will be vlogging my stay at this hotel and the food options and also the pool bar areas and the cocktail menu, which I'm sure will be fun. And also I'll be checking out a few of the beers and the cocktails, of course. Of course, we will be visiting Universal and all the rides, well, I hope all of the rides, and I am looking forward to trying out the food and especially voodoo donuts. Next up is Discovery Cove, which I am super excited for. We will be doing the dolphin swim and sea adventure whilst enjoying the food and drink which is on offer, which looks absolutely brilliant, and I can't wait for this day. I think this is the most thing I am actually looking forward to, is Discovery Cove, as it just looks great. We will also be enjoying a day at SeaWorld, and I will hopefully be using the iride trolley to get here, so that will be a vlog I'll be doing also for how to get to SeaWorld. Next up is Halloween Horror Nights, which looks like it will be an amazing experience, and I will also be enjoying some of the spooky food on offer. We will also be visiting Gatorland, and my husband is really looking forward to visiting here and feeding the gators, so this should be fun and a fun day out, I'm sure. Now, time to rest my feet. We're hoping to have at least one day at Volcano Bay, which looks a lovely relaxing day, just cruising along in the lazy river and enjoying the sun, Orlando sun or rain, as we will find out. Now, we love to shop, so we will be visiting Vineland, the Florida Mall and the Loop, and I am hoping to find some brilliant bargains and visit some of my favourite shops, including Sephora and Macy's. I can't wait to try the shopping in Orlando, as I've heard it's really good, and we are used to going to New York shopping and Vegas, so this will be a new experience for us. Another place we will be exploring is Icon Park, and I will be doing the Star Flyer swings solo, as my husband thinks I'm mad doing these swings, and I'm sure he'll have a right laugh at me doing this. I'm also thinking of doing iFly and the Titanic experience. I'd love some feedback and to see what you think, and if anyone recommends these, thank you. So let's get to the food. My plans so far are to visit ihop, bubba gump on my son's recommendations, and I'm really looking forward to Bahama Breeze. I'm also thinking of visiting the Sugar Factory and definitely voodoo donuts. I'll be trying a few of them as they look amazing, but I think my favourite is Bahama Breeze, which looks like a great menu. We will also be using these little trolley buses, and I will be doing a full vlog on these to see how to get around. So please subscribe to my channel and come along for a first time couple in Orlando. This is my first real full holiday vlog, so I'm sure there'll be lots of fun and lots of blisters, but come along with us and I'm sure you'll get some hints and tips of a first time couple in Orlando. Thanks for listening, guys.